Another beautiful rainy Florida day. Yeah. Well, with every rainy period here, always got the blue skies up ahead. So, fingers crossed. Hey guys, it's Luke, and I'm actually heading to the Kennedy Space Center today, which is going to be fun. Every time I've come to Florida, which is now, what, 3 times?
Yeah, that's a lot every time.
I've always booked a ticket, but I've never actually ever gone. It's about an hour and a bit drive from here, so it should be fun. A good drive, good company, and then an adventure in space. Or something like that. Sup, Tucker? And here we are, finally.
Rockets.
Rockets! And of course, you can't go anywhere in America without there either being or having built a Starbucks. And we're off to the bus tour. And so here's our bus that will take us around the complex. I'm assuming that's our tour guide. There. I'm walking on the moon. It's a good spot. Recording now? Yes, I am recording. All right, there we go. I had it on lock. So, our tour began with just a drive around some of the complexes, especially the Vehicle Assembly Building, which apparently is the 6th largest building in the country. The Target warehouse. Where was the Target warehouse?
Second largest.
That was like second.
Savannah, Georgia.
Savannah, Georgia. It's the 2nd largest building in the world. Interesting. And now here we are at the gantry, where we're going to check out some pretty sweet views apparently of some of the launch sites around. So here we go, into an elevator, thankfully not having to take the stairs. That would honestly kill me today.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
So here we are on the gantry, which is a viewing platform of the various launch sites all around the complex here. Even just behind me over there, there's like 6 odd launch sites. And just over here is the SpaceX launch site. Let's see if I can zoom in without it looking too potato quality, because right now I'm only using my 24mm lens. There we go. So there's an old one there that they're disassembling, but as you can see, you've got the those aren't 4 roads, those are just 2 roads. I mean, that there's a road, but that there and that there are their own roads used to carry the rockets to their destinations. Obviously can't go anywhere in Florida without it having had a deluge at some point. But yeah, over here we've got more launch sites as well. As I said, over there is also Port Canaveral, where all the cruise ships and stuff leave.
I think I can see one right there.
That's a viewing area there. Some tables, chairs. I guess you could probably book this gantry out for events. He also said it's available to book for launches, but tickets are very rare and they sell out very quick. Yeah, it's an amazing view.
Exactly.
Nothing in your way.
I thought this was really down. I was like, whoa.
Well, let's go down. And a strategically placed bin so you can't take really cool photos. I beat the system. Ha ha ha. All right, back on the bus. Probably so far the highlight on this tour for me is that it's been about 6 months since I've seen the ocean, and the first time in many years that I've actually seen the Atlantic Ocean.
Hi.
But getting back to space, here we have launch site, was it 41A? And over there 41B. I got it the wrong way around. That one's B and that one's A. And so here in front of 39 pad B we have all the different badges of all the different missions that have flown. Apollo program to the space shuttle program. 39B. And following that very same theme over this side we have the A side, which again, Apollo missions and space shuttle missions. I guess quite a few more space shuttle missions from this side.
You're getting the Skylab mission.
Oh sorry, Skylab. I thought Skylab's counted as an Apollo mission.
It does.
Yeah.
Some of it.
And there we go. That is the original. That's where Apollo 11 took off from.
They said it was one of the strangest reasons why they had to roll back a shuttle, because of this woodpecker. And so this is why we have all these fake owls and stuff like that on the launch pads to frighten off things like woodpeckers. So now Don Thomas is famous for the woodpecker thing.
And here we are back again, but this time outside of the vehicle assembly building. Outside of the bus, yeah, it does actually feel big, whereas inside the bus it's like yeah, it's just another building. But
Yeah.
so that there, you can see a door just there. I mean, but that's a small door. Those things there, those are doors, and those are 400 feet tall. The stars there on the American flag, like the blue patch, that's a full-size basketball court. And so basically on the top of that building there, you've got enough space for a car park and a stadium. And this is only three of the, how many, 50 stars up there on the, like that is bonkers big. And so half of that in there is for Artemis and the other half I think is for SpaceX, they said. Building their new rockets, and then of course over there can't have an aircraft facility without Boeing. Now it's time to play astronaut and walk across. You're okay, there's nothing there, you're fine. All right, there's Tucker going across. That's one small step for Tucker. One waste of time for me. Hurry up. I'm kidding. All right, and here we go. My turn. I'm in a big chunky spacesuit. I'm doing a Tucker. Here we go. Look at me. I'm walking like a cowboy. Stick 'em up, Dodger. Pew pew. And here we go. Oh, look at that. Lots of knobs and dials and a telephone. Call your mum and say, look, mum, I'm about to go into space. I'm pretty sure that's not what they're for, but anyway. Could be. I would like to think that Neil Armstrong probably called his mum to say, hey, mum,
Without a doubt.
if you can't reach me, it's because I'm on the moon.
It's like, I'm going to space. I'm going to.
And they're like, yeah, whatever. No one's going to the moon.
Oh, yeah, right.
And here is what I call the oh crap mobile. Basically, if anything goes wrong at launch, just like in Men in Black 3, they have that little zip line where they go zing, and then into this, what is it, an M113 armored vehicle here. And off they go into the sunset, while there's a really cool explosion behind them.
It's literally, it's like a movie.
Yeah,
A movie scene.
like a movie.
Big movie.
And there's that really big ass building again. That is, I can't describe to you actually how big that building is without you actually being here and seeing for yourself how big that is. Like, it's bonkers big. All right, I think it's time for me to get a photo in front of it and post that on Instagram.